Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will discuss our new form feature, the Replace tool. With the Replace tool, the software now has the capability of replacing all text or blank fields and substitute with text of your liking. This will come in handy when wanting to apply not applicable to blank fields. Rather than manually typing out these blank fields one by one, the Replace tool will do the work for you of filling them all at once. Let us access a case profile. Let us then access any form you have previously worked on. Before we begin, we recommend using this feature once you are near completion of the form. In theory, this tool serves to complete the form, filling out blanks, or using other uses shown on this video. Also, before you start this, make sure to save the form. We'll explain why at the end. From inside the form, locate the black toolbar and find the Replace button. It should look like a magic wand. A pop-up will appear titled Find and Replace. This tool has multiple uses. We will first discuss the most common one you'll use, applying non-applicable to blank fields. To do so, you will leave the Replace area blank, as this is what you are asking the system to locate, all blank fields. On the With section, you will insert the exact text you'd like. You can type N-A, making it capital letters if you like, or enter other text. By leaving the Replace section blank, adding N-A to the With section, you are literally asking the system to replace blank sections with the exact text of N-A. We'll leave the checkboxes below blank and click on Replace. By doing so, every blank field you had has now been replaced with not applicable, saving you time not having to type these one by one. You can now save the form, print the form, and so forth. With that being said, proceed with caution of what you want to replace. Also, even though we have worked hard to perfect this tool, we still recommend going page by page, review it, and ensure no blank areas were left. Besides filling out blank areas, this Replace tool serves to replace other text on here. Let's discuss the different options to take here. Let us click on the wand icon again to have the pop-up box appear. As an example, I will insert Ray with a capital R on the Replace section and type Example on With. But before we click on the Replace button, we will actually look at the checkboxes below. The first one is Match Case. With Match Case, the software is now in charge to find any text that contains Ray with a capital R and replace it with Example. Some examples would be if an address had Stingray or Sunray with a capital R. Because the word has Ray with a capital R, when I click Replace, Ray will change to Sting Example or Sun Example. If I had Stingray or Sunray with lowercase r, the software would not take these into account as it is looking for the word with capital R. Match Case finds any word that contains a text with exact capitalization and replaces it with the text you've inserted. If I chose Match Whole Word instead of Match Case, the software will take the word Ray and only find fields with that exact text, regardless of capitalization. This means Stingray or Sunray could not be replaced because we are looking for the exact word, not part of the word. When you click Replace, it will only find fields that have Ray in it and replace it with your desired text. Lastly, if you select both checkboxes and click Replace, the software will take both criteria into account and only find sections with the exact word and has Ray with a capital R. It will exclude anything lowercase and anything that belongs to a bigger word. Because this is a powerful tool, proceed with caution. If you wish to undo some sections that are replaced, simply click on that field within the form, locate the yellow toolbar to restore its value. Once clicked, it will erase the replaced text and leave what was originally there. If you wish to undo all, there is no undo button. Simply exit out the form without saving and go back in. This is why we recommend saving your form before using the feature and only using it at the very end to complete the form. Thank you for watching.